My name is Gabriella Guilfoy. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and I work for the Early On program at Marquette-Alger, RESA. A speech pathologist is an individual who specializes in communication. So that would be spoken communication. For young children, that would be like promoting vocabulary, expressive language, but also receptive language, so understanding, following directions. So we work on communication and language. My mom is a retired speech pathologist, and so she had the opportunity to have a long career in the public education system, and so I followed in her footsteps and have also had a great experience working in the Early On program of Michigan. So I work with children birth to age 3 who are at risk for developmental delay or currently have a developmental delay, and some of those children in Early On also are eligible for special education. So I work with the local school districts as well. In the Early On program, we partner with families, and so we generally provide services in families' homes because what we do is support development within a family's daily routine. So my day looks a little different than a speech pathologist who might be working in a school or in a hospital, but it's very dynamic, and I love being able to travel to homes in Marquette and Alger County. So typically I'm going from home to home, sometimes daycares, working with families, or caregivers of young children. Generally, when we're going into homes, we're partnering with families to work on goals that families have created for their child to meet. And so we might be working on gross motor skills one day, we might be working on communication goals, fine motor goals, building social emotional capacity with young children. Activities really vary, but we always provide activities that families can implement easily within their daily routine. Being in a family's homes and getting to witness a child's first words or first steps and be right there with a parent or a caregiver, and just seeing the excitement in the eyes of a parent, seeing those milestones is really rewarding. So that's something that really fills me up with so much joy, and it's just a really fulfilling role to have, and I feel very lucky to also work in a community that I know really well.